2 months later, and Magogo is heavily pregnant, but she also needs food. Now, after rains, the grass is littered with grubs hatching from the wet earth. Tokatona has accepted his new role. But there is a new threat to the dynasty's future. From within. Magogo's younger sister, Dragonfly, the only other female in the group. She too is pregnant. The last time Magogo allowed one of her sisters to breed, there were too many pups for the group to look after. She can't risk that again. Dragonfly must be evicted from the group. Magogo is prepared to sacrifice her sister to protect the unborn pups she can feel moving inside her. After 3 weeks, Magogo spots Dragonfly again. But there is something different about her. She is no longer pregnant. The stress of being alone has taken its toll. Now she is no longer a threat. And with the bow to her sister, she is accepted back into the family. The timing is perfect. Magogo has given birth to 4 new pups. 3 boys and a girl. Maybe a future queen. Dragonfly may have lost her own babies, but her instinct to protect her sister's pups is strong. She still has milk and even feeds them as if they were her own.